Hi Marcy, this video recording will show you how to edit the Google snippets for the product and for the blog post. So I'll put it all in one video. And at the moment I have selected all products. I search for essential oil because you specified you want to focus on essential oil, and I have added a filter to show me only products available in the online store. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all products. It showed me 50, so I'm not going to deselect like 25 now manually, but I'm going to then click edit products, and it will allow me to edit them manually, and I'm going to remove all those values from the top, and I'm going to add the fields that I want to optimize. It will basically give me more room. So title, I usually add tags as well. Tags, meta title, meta description. And these are available to choose from the SEO section. So I'll show you. Okay, you've got plenty of tags, so that's good. I'm going to check if there are any missing. If not, there's one missing. If not, I'll just probably optimize the tags first because they take quite a lot of space, then remove them and then work on the rest of the fields. But basically other fields we'll need are in this SEO section. So page title, which is different than the actual title. So page title is basically meta title, so it's displayed in the Google snippet. And again, from the SEO section, sorry, my computer is very slow today, so I'm uploading a video, and meta description as well. And that's all I needed to edit Google snippets in bulk. And I'm going to work on these. And when it comes to blog post, we'll open it in a new tab so I don't lose the selection. So right click, open link in a new tab, so online store and then blog posts. I think you specified which ones. 7 chakras. I'll just look for this one at the moment. And then click on blog posts. 7 chakras. Okay, essential oils for the 7 chakras. You can either edit it from the blog title, or if you want to edit Google snippets through bulk selection, you do the same way as with products. So edit blog post and then add those values you want to edit, you want to optimize. When it comes to optimizing single blog post, if you want to change Google snippets, simply go on the blog post page, scroll all the way down to edit website SEO, and here is the Google snippet, this is meta title, meta description. Now, important thing to remember is that Shopify actually tells you that you've got 320 allowance. This is very old, I think early 2018, very old allowance. They didn't change it. So Google was allowing for a few months 320 characters, but now they reversed it, and the maximum you can put is 160, 170. But to be honest, I wouldn't be even going to 170. I would try to fit between 120, 150. Otherwise, your meta description will be cut off in the search engines. And the shorter the better at the moment. So shorter meta descriptions actually perform better. So as you type, you will be able to see how many characters you put. See, so you've got 12 characters so far, and you see meta description right away. So don't cross over 150 characters, and if you can put closer to 120, it will be even better. Okay, I hope you found it useful. I hope I didn't muddle at the end. Thank you so much. Bye bye.